Now we will work with external files. Now I have data in external file. Now I want to read that external file. Okay, so now what I am doing is, see this data employee JSON I don't want to put inside this. Otherwise keep it as it is. Okay, now I have one more file. New my data.dat. So this my data.dat contain this array of JSONs. Now I want to read this array of JSON values in my web page. So same data only, I am not changing anything. Okay, so anything need to change some Hyderabad, Delhi instead of Bangalore, Kolkata, and Allahabad. So this is the data I changed, and salary is 10,000. Okay, so 80,000. Salary is for Kolkata is 30,000, and Allahabad salary is some 20,000. So this is the data I have. Okay, this I put it in my data.dat file. Now I will read this data file and I will display on web page. Okay, in my using AngularJS. So in order to read the external file, we need a service called $HTTP. Okay, so we will discuss more about $HTTP later. So for now, in order to fetch the data from external file, we need $HTTP service. So that HTTP we are injecting in our controller. So $HTTP. See, if you see here, $scope service, $HTTP service. These two services are defined in AngularJS. These services we are using in our controller. Okay, remember all Angular predefined services will start with $. So if anything, if it contains $, it is Angular service, remember. So this $HTTP service I injected in my controller. Now I will fetch this $HTTP dot get that file name my data.dat. So I am getting this. So there are two callback methods in for this service. One is success and another one is error. So if it is successfully retrieved, then success function will call. Okay, so in success function, so it will return result. So and if it is failed, then error function will call. So this is error message I am putting like this. So this error message I am displaying like this. Okay, so these two callback methods, $HTTP.get is written. If it is success, this function is success, then success function will execute. If this get function is failed, then error function will execute. So if it is success, in the success function, the result it will the output it will come to result. If it is failed, the error message coming to error.msg. Now here, once I get it, first I will check whether the data is coming or not. So console what is coming, I will display it. Later I will display on web page. First I will display on console. So if it coming on console, then I will display on web page. That is what I am doing now. Console.log result. So if it is a error, then I will display an error message on console only. So error messages we should not display on, I mean we can display on web pages only, that is different cases, but for now we display on console only. Console dot log error message. So I am displaying with the proper names, otherwise we don't know what is result and what is error message. How? Okay. Okay, clear. See, now let's see. So $http.get I define in main.js. Okay. Okay, now let's see. Yes, see, there is some error. Missing colon before statement. So this is $http.get. If it is success, this success function will execute. If it is failed, this error function will execute. So this is success function so this is success function and this is error function. And this is error function. Okay, so if the service is able to fetching my data.dat and if it is success, this success function will execute, and if it is failed, this error function will execute. So now let's see. Okay, so here we miss plus symbol, concatenate symbol. Yes, so we get the data. So we are able to, so it is the $http.get function is success, that's why we are getting the result. Okay, so it is displaying as a object wise. It means in order to display as an object. Now if we want to display as a values inside that, then we will display like salary. Use what is the data we defined inside my data.dat. Salary. Okay, so here we cannot display like a salary because we have to iterate it. Okay, so but now we are able to fetching the data from file. See, we have 3 objects we are getting. So because we created in data file with 3 JSON objects, these 3 JSON objects we are able to fetching and we are displaying in console. Now what we have to do? This data we have to display on web page, not in console. Okay, so in order to display in web page, the data we have to put it in scope. Now what I will do is $scope dot file data equal to, I am putting this result. That's it. Now I will iterate this in my web page till, see, now my data is inside script. Now I will I will display on web page. So working with external file, ng repeat the name we have given file data. So that file data I am giving. That's it. I don't think so more changes. That's it, I think. Let's see. Yes, working with external file. Salary is 80,000, address is Delhi. Salary is 3, address is Kolkata. Salary is 20,000, address is Allahabad. So if we see in our data, okay, for Kolkata we have given 3 only. So what I will do is I will change to 30,000. Something. Okay, so here we have to give comma. JSON parser error. Yes. So salary is working with external file. Salary is 80,000 and address is Delhi. Salary is 30,000, address is Kolkata. Salary is 20,000, address is Allahabad. So this is how we can fetch the data from external file. So what we did, we used $HTTP service in order to work with external file. So $HTTP.get method, using that get method we can for get method we pass the file name. So there are 2 callback methods. One is success and the another one is error. So these 2 callback methods will execute on the get functionalities. So if get function is success, then success function will execute. If get function is fail, then error function will execute. So these are all, everything is JavaScript only. Here everything it is JavaScript only. Okay, so you have to be careful on how to write JavaScript. You have to careful on understanding the JavaScript functions. Okay, so if you see here $HTTP.get, this is one method call, and again it is calling success. Okay, so this get method, it is returning some function that is assigning as a success. In the same way, $get, if it is failed, then error function will execute. So that error function will execute. So this is something like Ajax. So if you see Ajax, we can develop Ajax call using JavaScript, jQuery, as well as AngularJS. In JavaScript, we can use HTTP, some objects, HTTP XML objects, something like that. There are some objects we have. So using that, we can call the Ajax using JavaScript. In jQuery, we have $Ajax. So using that, we can call the Ajax. So there also we have some callback methods, success and error and state. So there are some callback methods. So based on the output, corresponding method will execute. In the same way here also, it is also something like Ajax only. So $HTTP.get is a function, is a Ajax call. So it have 2 callback methods, success and error. So these 2 methods will execute the output of the get method. Okay, so this is how we can work with external file.